Welcome along, folks, to the day where we swap trains for buses. Welcome to Terminal Tuesday at Piccadilly Gardens. WS 245. Give me 30 on the clock and make it bloody quick as well. Metrolink rail replacement. Who's that? Is that Atlantic? I don't know. That's Diamond though. 32303. Blech. Superior bus was at the front. I said it. I'm not afraid to admit it either. Look out! WS 345 on the 111 to the Southern Cemetery. It could be on the 111 to hell as far as I'm concerned. Oh god, here comes Diamond. No, it's not. It's Go Ahead now that does this route, isn't it? Ah, it's Go Ahead that does that route. Here comes some more Metrolink replacements. Tyras with one of their B9 Geminis. And I haven't a clue who you are. Atlantic? Maybe Atlantic? Yeah, I forgot. It's not Diamond that have this anymore. It's Go Ahead that have the 37. Good old Go Ahead. Although it's Electroliner. So somebody does need shooting for it being an Electroliner, unfortunately. There's a Flix. Oh, it's a J&B Flix bus. Oh yeah, I want that. Give me that Scania. That's going to be the 101 to Wivenshaw, TEH 145 hybrid Enviro 400. I've just seen something down the bottom. Come my way. Pretty please come my way. Oh, we got Metrolink rail replacements everywhere. They're all over the place, look. SK22 WB, that's got to wait to the lights. They've all got to wait to the play lights. Isn't that right? That's Atlantic, isn't it? Yeah, that's Atlantic. Atlantic Enviro 400 MMC. Whose is that Evora? I know who that MMC is. That's Atlantic. Yeah. Ah, look at this. Hello. 10616. I think this is Transpora Northwest. Yes, with one of their Enviro 400s on Metrolink replacements to Chorlton. Although, why it's going to Chorlton, I have no idea. No godly idea. Oh, mind that. That's one of those, what are they called? I know what they're called. BDE 224. There's a, well no, it's BYD K10 Alexander's S Enviro 400 City EV. Whereas this is just a hybrid. TEH 138. Oh, grow up, mate. Hand over his face, one wheel while driving. What a sad twat. 2040 for Go Ahead. Oh, sorry, 2043 for Go Ahead, I should say. There's TEH 143 for Metrolink. That's not in service. VDM 413 for Metrolink on the 142 to East Didsbury. And oh, there's one of the B5 MMCs. PHA 521.
And now we have a traffic jam. This is what happens when you come to Manchester. You have the traffic jam, yeah?
Yes, everyone's got a horn. Another one of the go-ahead BYDs, 2037. 3552 Electroliner on the 35. WDS 254 on the 2562 Flixton. Crikey, we had everything there, didn't we? Ah, there's what I was after. 40632 for Diamond. And here we go again, folks. BDE 202 on the 103 heading over to Manchester Airport. That's the slower service. WVA 526 on the 43 to the airport. That's the quicker service. DE 492 and it not in service. TEH 148 on the 143 to West Didsbury. TEH 124 on the 42C to Hanworth. Right, let's carry on again then. Here we go again. It's like this constantly at Piccadilly Gardens. BDE 223, VMD 424 I should say, and WDS 316. 3 different makes there on show. TEH 176. Somebody tried to get on that. Didn't work, did it? That's that Red Bull livery that goes around from time to time. That's on the 101 over to Wythenshawe. Here we go, more Metrolink rail replacements, or tram replacements I should say. That is... who is that? Transporter. That's going to Chorlton. Shaw's. Sure. Why on earth not? WDS 357 heading off to the airport. Can find out who these guys are now. I'm pretty sure it's Atlantic, but I don't want to say too much. It is Atlantic. Wow, we got all the All-Stars out for this session today, don't we? There goes 2013, and there goes TEH 118. And they're on their way out of Manchester. Oh, hello, it's DM Motor Services. We really do have everyone on these tram replacements, don't we? That's a that's not a VDL. That was a VDL DB300 Wright's Pulsar Gemini in the centre of Manchester. Oh, and here comes the rush again. I see a E400 EV City, I see a Gemini, I see a hybrid, I see everything. I see BDE 216, I see WV604, and I see TEH 151. I also see an MMC lurking in the back there, which is Diamonds 20621. Sonic. Now you must be desperate if Sonic are out on Metrolink. However, there's a Diamond Enviro. Is that ex-Burton? I want to say that may or may not be ex-Burton, as WDS 264 leaves Piccadilly Gardens. And WDS 349 is not far behind it. Oh, 20 out. I thought he wasn't going to get through then. Yeah, diamond. I'm sure SN11 BRV is ex-Burton. Don't worry, officers, I am behaving myself. Behaving ourselves in front of the police. Live on Terminal Tuesday. TEH 129. That's on the 255 over to Partington. Another hybrid Enviro 400. And here comes another Transporter Enviro 400 on Metrolink rail replacements. It is going to get through, isn't it? It actually isn't, because the road is kind of blocked. BDE 222. Oh, I love this livery. I do like this livery. Obviously, some people think that red lights don't apply to them. That was on the 86 heading over to Chorlton. That's going to get the good to go now. Well, it should do. Come on! Wakey, wakey, somebody. Wake him up. 2602. Somebody needed to wake him up. Oh my god. OT26 BUS, that is brand new. That is Orion's. Has to be brand new. Has to be brand new. That's moving, people. It's a Pride bus. It's a Pride bus. Although it's got the number for the police on the back, I don't know why. TEH 163, that is on the 142 over to East Didsbury with TEH 169. Nice. Both Enviro 400 hybrids, and that one's on the 111 to the Southern Cemetery. WDS 322, almost annihilating a bike. Mind you, I'd say that was the bike's fault, if I'm being brutally honest, because he decided he was going to run a red light. What on earth is this livery on the WDS 255? It's that JD Sports livery, I think it is. That's not a JD Sports livery. That is another Metrolink tram replacement. 2902. Scania on the city. Crikey, this session has had it all. Tram replacements, Pride, Heritage livery, drivers being an absolute womble. It's an all-star session as WDS 306 flies through.
Trying to get some boys of him.
It'll make it out now. BDE 216 on the 85 over to Chorlton. 2049 on the 36 over to Bolton, and TEH 144 on the 256 over to Flixton. More. It's one of those Volvo MCV jobs. Which one's that? VMS 668 on the 13 at the Trafford Centre. Yeah, I don't know what to make of this livery. It's weird. It's almost like he's standing there and he's... Yeah. That's better. Another Metrolink tram replacement. something's going to be last. I don't know what it is, but it's going to be something. I think it's going to be this Tyrant's Gemini on the Metrolink with the Rosas in front of it. And that is going to do it for Terminal Tuesday. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy.
Do you know who the boss now in London?
Yeah.
Andrew, I think Andrew Finger.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.